Yeah. Activation. We in the building. We live. We live. That's right. We in this motherfucker. You know what I'm talking about? Experiencing nature. Experiencing reality. This is what it's supposed to be. Life. Organically spoken. Who can take this away from us? We take this away from ourselves from not indulging into it or diving into it like the water. Ain't that beautiful? Y'all see that? Damn. Got the sun shining on the God. Got the water dancing. Got the sun dancing on the water. Talk about the water's flowing. It ain't nothing but waves. We in the wave. We're on a frequency. Divine energy. It can't be denied. You know the best part about it is nobody can stop us. Get your ass up and go to the mountains. Go to the beach. Come alive. Be alive. Go bare feet. Matter of fact, I should take these boots off. No, I ain't gonna do that right now. But yes, we have to use nature as a tool. It helps our mind expand. It helps us go beyond the land, go beyond the man, the common man, but the uncommon man, the divine being, infinite consciousness, infinite abilities. You know what I'm talking about? Infinite situations, activation, conscious stimulation for the nation. Right? We're here in the light. Right. It's all love, man. It's just an expression. Don't be mad at me. Be mad at yourself. You gotta come out here. Come on now, look. Come on, man. Look at this shit. What? Beautiful. Divine. Quality. Life. Vibrations. Never forget the vibrations. What was this at? I know I dug a hole. It was right here, huh? On my square. X is gone. Doesn't matter. It's all natural. Anyway, focus on your higher self. That's who's gonna win the game. The higher self is gonna win the game and get through the bullshit. It's the lower self that can't handle the battle. That can't handle the battle. The lower self cannot handle the battle. The higher self is where you can change the channel. Change your channel. Change your vision. Change what you're looking at. Change the station. What are stations? They're frequencies, right? 92.3 the beat. That's the frequency. 92.3 the beat. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that part. Sun is so beautiful. I don't even know what to do. It's so enchanted out here. Jeez, I can't keep being selfish. I'm about to right now. Cause when you took yours off,
even on my toes ain't done.
That's all right. Nah, it's a quick vision. It's a quick activated vision. Oh yeah, I'm taking these joints off. All right, boo, you can shine. We still live? We still recording?
Are you recording?
Yes, recording. I'm gonna take these boots off. And I'm gonna take my own advice. Sometimes it's easy to give advice, but it's hard to follow your own advice. I admit to that. I do it all the time. All the time. Feel me? Take these joints off. Live.
And socks.
Oh yeah, the socks coming off too. That's a whole other world right there. Feet. Feet. I know you really can't see nothing, but that's all right. I just want the silhouette. You know, y'all doing the silhouette challenge? Anyway. Challenge yourself. Do something new. Learn a new word. Expand your vocabulary. I need to do the same. Like I said, a lot of times we can give advice, but it's hard to take our own advice. Feed. Just like that. Live and direct. You know what I'm talking about? Say nothing but activation. I'm only sharing what I was taught. This is information that was given to me by the gods. I'm not gonna get into the names. R.u.On.Ur.PzNqZ. He started R.u.On.Ur.PzNqZ, Sarah Suit Seti, the God 720, King Noble. Oh yeah, they got the God brain going. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Frequencies, sounds, vibrations. That's all this is. This is all sounds. They just have certain level of density. The way the elements come together, earth, wind, water, fire, more fire burn. ViZiOn, or I start more fire. ViZiOn. Oh, the flames is burning, baby. That's why the mind is going the way it's going. Yeah, I cut myself. I made a mistake. That's why everybody don't need a knife. You know what I'm talking about? But everybody needs a knife. Everybody needs a knife. A knife and a lighter. Fire burn. Because you might have to kill something and then cook it. So you always have a knife on you. Always have a knife on you. A knife and a lighter. Like I said, you might have to kill something and then cook it. Keep that in mind, y'all. Just a quick message for the people. It's such a beautiful scenario, a beautiful scenery, not a scenario. Look at me with my words. A beautiful scenery. I have to take advantage of the moment. When hiking, you know, a little hike, a little walk through nature. Got some beautiful views. Activating our vision. You know what I'm talking about? Activation so you can make the right decisions. Q's and Q's. And I'm out. Peace, love, and balance. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Activation.